The 0xc0000001 issue is pretty annoying to fix since this error code is from a BSOD error. In order to solve the root cause, you can also try using and preparing bootable media for Windows 10 11. First, try running a PC repair tool like Outbyte PC Repair if possible, before trying the steps below, as it will optimize your PC processes and remove glitches that may compound the problem. Once you have completed these preparations, you can now go ahead and execute the solutions listed below. 1. Uninstall faulty apps. If the error started after installing new software, try uninstalling the culprit. Using installation media, start and select Repair your computer. Now go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and click Restart. Press F4 in order to enable safe mode. Now head over to Settings Apps. Locate the problematic app, then click Uninstall. Reboot your system to see if the issue has been fixed. 0xc00001 error Windows 10. 2. Perform a startup repair. Corrupted startup files can be a reason behind the 0xc0000001 error. Here is how you can repair them. Force shut down your PC 3 times to enter the recovery environment. Now select the Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair. Then, follow the on-screen instructions and restart after the repair process is finished. Windows error code 0xc0000001. 3. Disable problematic updates. It is a fact that Windows updates can actually cause more problems. If the error began to appear recently after some update, then uninstall it. Boot to the recovery environment. Click Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options, Uninstall Updates. Remove the newest update and reboot to see if the error disappears. 4. Copy the SAM file. A corrupted SAM file can stop Windows from booting. Replacing it might fix the problem. Open Command Prompt from the recovery environment. Run this command. Copy C:\Windows \repair \SAM C:\Windows system 32 \config. Overwrite the file when prompted and restart your PC. 5. Run a checkdisk scan. A damaged hard drive might also be the cause. Running a checkdisk scan can help. Boot into the recovery environment and open Command Prompt. Run this command, checkdisk C/R. Replace C with your system drive letter. Wait for the scan to complete and restart. 0xc0000001. 6. Repair the master boot record. Repairing the MBR can resolve this if some of the boot files are corrupt. Steps differ based on your operating system. Under the System Recovery options for Windows 7 or Advanced Options option for Windows 8/8.1/10, open the command prompt. Then, run these commands one by one, pressing Enter at the end of each line. bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/rebuild. Restart your computer and see if it clears up the problem. 7. Perform a system restore. You can do a system restore if the error started happening recently after something changed in your system. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options System Restore. Follow the prompts to go back in the system to an earlier point. Restart to see if the issue clears up. Thanks for watching.